Hey guys, we're here. Haven't been camping out much because the weather's been out of control and I've been sick, so I haven't really been in the mood for camping. But we're here doing a trash. We're doing a cleanup at our campgrounds, and just taking out all the trash, making sure that our areas are nice and clean, so we can come back and enjoy them. And the little guy right there seems to appreciate it. So we're gonna head out to another campground that we like to go at, so we're gonna clean that out and show you guys what it's all about. Oh, let's look at the mountains though. This is why I like this area so much. It's pretty secluded in canyons. You got a nice view of the high desert, Apple Valley, Lucerne Valley that way. Look at that Big Bear. Beautiful. San Gabriel's out there. So get off this and head out to the next cleanup site, and I'll show you guys what it's about. So we were able to locate this beautiful area again, this wonderful shelter 2 or 3 years back. Never found it again till today. Check it out. You tell me, isn't this the perfect shelter setup for no tent necessary? Watch. Look at this. Awesome. This is very cool. Perfect shelter. This is how much room I have. I can't even reach it. I have to tippy toe just to reach it. You can walk in here. It's awesome. You got a nice little window. I am a little ashamed of this though. My trash from 2 years back. But I'm here now and I'm taking it out. This is pretty awesome. Can't believe we located it again. Awesome. Cool, right? Very cool. Yeah, fate. Check this out, guys. This is a new shelter from now on. Pretty cool. Look at that. Reconstructed. I did it. I didn't like how it used to be, so I reconstructed it. And it's pretty good. There's more of a wall now. Very narrow break for air. Camping out right here. Next time. Fire pit ready. More stones. Pretty cool spot, huh? Peace. Look at that. Beautiful view. Big Bear out in that area. That direction, straight in the center of the screen. Look at the snow. setting over the San Gabriels. This is the last of our sunset. Beautiful. Mount Baldy, center of the screen, Wrightwood area. And right there in the center of the screen right now, that's where we camped out on the summit at the cross on my couple months back on my videos. We just got done. The cave that we had found that I was looking for the longest time is right on that trail. If it's visible, it kind of goes out that way and around that canyon. And that's where it's at. Quartzite Mountain. It's a beautiful high desert, people. Plenty of areas to go hiking at. So if you think and say that there's nothing to do out here, well, you're boring. Because there's plenty to do out here. Climb up this real quick. Up here, it's trying to pick up. So look at how those two rocks are perfect. One is sitting on top of the other perfectly. Aliens did that. Ancient alien theorists believe that the reptilians helped create this high desert due to their cold-blooded ways.